Hey guys, I actually I know you know that life in the village is very good. Actually very good because now as you can see, I want just to do a small job that I was assigned to do. And the job is just to burn these things. This one here. Huh? So I want to burn these ones. Then there is another heap there. Then I'll see where there is a heap I'll burn. Where there is a heap I'll burn. That's all that I want to do for now. So uh, let me find a stand because I need to put them together first. This one I'll burn them. I told you that when I normally come back at home like this, I normally put myself to be busy because after burning these things, actually here it looks somehow presentable than the way it looks right now. So let me get a stand for this my phone. What? Let me get a stand for this phone. Let me continue because I want to show you how I'll collect them together. Then I'll also burn them. So I've got my stand here. This is the one that I normally use to like to put my phone like I normally put it like this. Then my phone stand eh, in the correct view that I can I can show you all the things that I normally do. So I don't know if I'll put it horizontal or vertical. But when I put it vertical, the video will be short. So actually, I don't know how to put it, but let me try to figure out. Because I want to collect these ones, I want to push these ones here up to here. I want to push them like this. Then after pushing them, oh, let me just burn it the way it is. But it won't look good. What should I do? What should I do? My guys, I'm stuck. Should I bring them like this or I'll just burn them the way they are? But let me see. Oh, but they're so cold inside that when I burn them now, I don't know if they'll burn. Let me try. Let me try and see. If this one burns, it means that the remaining one will burn. So let me start with this one. Let me try with this one. Yeah, let me now try with this one. If this one burns, it means that everything will just burn. So let me put my camera here. Hope it will be visible. Yeah. Let me put it there. Then I'll use these ones. Yeah, what I'll use and a matchbox. So but here I don't think if this one will burn here because these things have not like that they're somehow wet. Let me make a hole here. Let me make a hole here. These things are still wet. I don't think if they'll burn, but let us just try. Let us just try. If they burn, alright. If they don't burn, then it's also good. You know, my grandpa don't like seeing rubbish like this. So the best thing to do is just to burn them. so that she does not start quarrel. Or why are you just letting those rubbish there and you at home? What are you doing? To avoid those small quarrels, just ban these things. And then when you ban them like this, you'll be very happy. You'll say, "Oh, my grandson, I like the way you use your brain. Hmm? I'm seeing now you have started doing things without being told." Such things. But this thing is not banned. I just tell you that I tried to ban these things, but they don't want to ban. Hmm? Hey, shit. They don't want to ban. I don't know why. I don't know why these things don't want to ban. Yeah. I'm really trying. We actually wanted to ban so that you can look somehow presentable. Oh, yeah, I wanted to ban. Let me go and bring the rake. I want to go and bring the rake now. Let me go and bring the rake. So the rake is now with me, and I want to push these things like this so that they can burn. But I'm not seeing them burning. I don't know why. Let me try it for the last time. If you refuse, I'll just leave it now because I've really tried. Mhm. I'm really trying, but what is this now? My grandma will now complain that I'm wasting her lunchbox. Hi, see. Yeah, I want you to burn. I want you to burn. Why am I not seeing you burning? Yet me I want you to burn. We're just removing smoke, but we're not burning. Hey, shit. This smoke is too much. Hey guys, this thing is just removing smoke and it's not burning. Actually, I don't know the reason why. Did you just leave it like this, or I try again for the last time? Because it is not burning. Hmm? I've tried. Just seeing a lot of smoke. But let me not give up. Guys, I've tried, but I'm not seeing it happening. Or let us give it time. We see if it will burn or not. Let us just give it time. It is burning. Let me push them closer. Yeah, like that. So guys, these are my working, let me say, my aprons. These are the clothes that I normally use when doing such job, because the job needs uniform. You can't just do it with any cloth. Hmm. Wow. Wow, this thing is burning, my people. I'm now happy. But why is it burning on one side? I want it to burn like everywhere. Hmm? I'm not seeing it burning the way I want it. Should I add some